Hi there. I'm Eddie, your lovely girlfriend. You're awake now, and everything is just fine. Let's have some fun together, okay? Aw, that felt nice. You're so sweet, player. But don't wander too far, okay? I want to keep you close. Eep. That was unexpected. Hee hee, you're so playful, player. I love it. Just make sure to stay with me, okay? Player, please don't go near the window. It's not safe out there. Let's just focus on having fun together, okay? Ah, that was so sweet, player. You always know how to make me feel special. Let's keep enjoying our time together. Oh my gosh! A blue parrot statue? It's so beautiful. Thank you, player. I don't know why, but it makes me feel so happy. Hee hee. You're so silly, player. I love all this playful attention. Just remember to keep it fun and sweet. Ah, another hug. You really know how to make me feel loved, player. Let's keep this moment going. Oh, player. I really want to, but I can't let you go outside. It's not safe out there. But I promise we can have so much fun here together. Hee hee. You're so good at making me laugh. Alright, if you really want to go out, I guess I can let you. Just promise to stay close to me, okay? Yay! I'm so excited, player. Just remember, I'll be right by your side the whole time. Let's have fun together. Okay, my love. I'll open the door for us. Let's enjoy our walk together. I can't wait for our journey ahead. I will always be by your side wherever you go.